Welcome, kids! Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about physical and chemical properties, reversible and irreversible changes.
Let's begin. An ice cube melts and then freezes again. What does reversible mean? And the correct answer is letter A, can change back. Melted butter is placed in the refrigerator, which shows what can happen next. And the correct answer is letter B, hard butter. Chocolate is cooled after heating. What does cooled mean? And the correct answer is letter A, made cold.
Which shows a change that can be reversed after cooling. And the correct answer is letter A, freezing water. What happens to a stick of butter before heating, after melting, and after cooling? And the correct answer is letter B, solid, liquid, solid. An egg is cooked in a pan, which shows what it is like after it cools. And the correct answer is letter B, cooked egg.
A green leaf is placed in the freezer overnight. What may happen to it? And the correct answer is letter A. It may become damaged. A leaf was frozen overnight and then warmed in the sun. It became soft but did not return to its fresh, healthy shape. What does this show? And the correct answer is letter A, damaged leaf. Paper turns brown when burned. What does burn mean? And the correct answer is letter A, damaged by heat.
Melted candle wax cools down, which shows the correct result. And the correct answer is letter B, hard wax. An ice pop melts outside and is put back into the freezer. What will most likely happen? And the correct answer is letter A, it can become solid again. How are butter, chocolate, and ice alike when heated and cooled? And the correct answer is letter A, melt and harden.
How is a cooked pancake different from melted butter? And the correct answer is letter B, a pancake cannot turn back into batter. Which show changes that cannot be reversed? And the correct answer is letter A, egg and leaf. Study the table. What does the evidence show? And the correct answer is letter B, some changes can be reversed, but some cannot.
Wood is heated until it turns into charcoal, which shows the best answer. And the correct answer is letter A, charcoal only. Chocolate chips are heated and then cooled in a mold. What does cooled mean? And the correct answer is letter A, made cold. What does this show? And the correct answer is letter B. Some changes can be reversed, but some cannot.
An ice cube is left in the sun and then put back in the freezer. What will most likely happen? correct answer is letter A. It freezes again. Melted butter becomes solid again. What does solid mean? And the correct answer is letter B, hard and not flowing. Chocolate chips are heated and poured into a mold. After they cool, what happens? And the correct answer is letter B. They harden again.
Water turns into ice. What does freeze mean? And the correct answer is letter B, solid ice. Paper is heated too much and turns brown or burns. What kind of change is this? And the correct answer is letter B, a change that cannot be undone. A pancake cannot change back to batter. What does cannot mean? And the correct answer is letter A, not able to.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.